What's going on YouTube? It's Guff the Knight here, coming at you with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We are going to go ahead and repaste both of my graphics cards, as I haven't touched either one of these ever, so it's still running on the stock thermal paste, and that's never a good thing to be doing, just because it gets old, it gets crusty, and it's time to change it out. So let's get into this. Let's get better thermals. Alright, to get started, make sure you have a clean area to work on. I like to put my stuff on a microfiber cloth, just because that's how I do it, to help keep it from getting scratched. Make sure you have all your tools, as you saw up there, the thermal paste, and a screwdriver. Now, locate all the screws. Thankfully on this one there is only 4. So go ahead, get that unscrewed, and I'll speed this part of the video up so you guys can see that as well. Now, once you get all the screws off, it should be really easy to take apart. As you see here, this thermal paste is absolutely disgusting. Again, this is what it came factory with when I bought it from ASUS. So let's get this cleaned up. I actually like to use a microfiber cloth. Some people use coffee filters, and I also use some rubbing alcohol. I do not put the rubbing alcohol on the die or on the heat sink itself, but I do put it on the cloth to help out when cleaning it. Now, once you get it all cleaned off, as you see here, I try to get as much of it as I can. I got the die completely clean, and once you got the heat sink completely clean as well, unfortunately I didn't get it fully cleaned, as you'll see here in a moment. Make sure you take a little bit of thermal paste and then put it on. Don't do a lot, otherwise you're gonna end up like this graphics card did, with thermal paste everywhere on the sides of the GPU. Once you've applied the thermal paste onto your GPU, it is just reverse of everything you did prior to take it apart to get this running. Now, on this card alone, well, on both my cards, I did see a 10 degree difference, 10 degrees Celsius. It went from 85 on the top card to 75, and I was then able to bump up the overclock even more, which then I only saw a 5 degrees Celsius increase in temperature, but my gaming performance is a lot better. I'm a lot happier with my GPU performance as well, now that they're quieter overall, and I can actually take the fan curve down a little bit and create a little less noise as well, while still getting a better overclock. So this overall, it works, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I appreciate it. Make sure you like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new and you want to see more of my content. Not only that, put down in the comments down below what other stuff you guys would like me to help you out with tip-wise, and you never know, I might be able to do that for you guys, so leave those suggestions down in the comments down below. So this is Guff the Knight, guys, signing out.